Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video, so guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless glove design for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection, beautiful fingerless gloves design. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety, and different pattern. Very nice. Fabulous crocheting work. Beautiful designing, beautiful pattern. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, beautiful amigurumi pattern, fingerless gloves design, handbags, and different ideas about crochet. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. Put mint second like and share my video. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.